Hey there, chocolate lovers. Welcome back to the Very Okay channel, your go-to destination for all things delicious and delightful. Today, we have an extra special treat for you, an entire video dedicated to the incredible world of dark chocolate. We'll be talking about its amazing health benefits, sharing some scrumptious recipe ideas, and so much more. So if you're a fan of dark chocolate or simply looking for new ways to enjoy the superfood, you don't want to miss this video. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with all your fellow chocolate enthusiasts. Very okay. Dark chocolate has long been praised for its rich, decadent taste. But did you know that this delicious treat also comes with a wide range of health benefits? In this video, we will explore the amazing advantages of indulging in dark chocolate, and why you should consider incorporating this tasty superfood into your diet. Very okay. Number 1. Packed with antioxidants. Dark chocolate is a powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly flavonoids and polyphenols. These compounds help protect your body from the damaging effects of free radicals, which are associated with various chronic diseases and aging. By including dark chocolate in your diet, you're arming your body with potent defenses against oxidative stress. Number 2. Heart health. Research shows that consuming dark chocolate in moderation can help improve heart health. The flavonoids in dark chocolate can lower blood pressure, improve blood flow to the heart, and reduce inflammation. Additionally, dark chocolate has been found to increase HDL, good, cholesterol levels, while reducing LDL, bad, cholesterol oxidation. Number 3. Improved brain function. Dark chocolate is not only good for your heart, but it also benefits your brain. The flavonoids present in dark chocolate have been shown to increase blood flow to the brain, potentially improving cognitive function and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Moreover, dark chocolate contains small amounts of caffeine and theobromine, which can provide a mild, natural boost to mental alertness. Number 4. Mood enhancer. Feeling down? Dark chocolate might just be the pick-me-up you need. It contains compounds like phenylethylamine, which can stimulate the release of endorphins and serotonin, the feel-good neurotransmitters. This can help improve your mood and even alleviate symptoms of mild depression. Number 5. Skin health. The antioxidants in dark chocolate don't just protect your internal health, they also benefit your skin. Flavonoids in dark chocolate can help protect your skin from the harmful effects of UV radiation, potentially reducing the risk of sunburn and skin cancer. Additionally, the improved blood flow from consuming dark chocolate can contribute to a more youthful and radiant complexion. And there's more. Studies on dark chocolate. Diabetes and insulin sensitivity. Dark chocolate has been studied for its potential role in diabetes prevention and management. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming dark chocolate rich in flavonols can improve insulin sensitivity, reduce insulin resistance, and lower fasting blood glucose levels in healthy individuals. Gut microbiome and prebiotics. Recent research has also suggested that dark chocolate can have a positive impact on gut health. The polyphenols in dark chocolate may function as prebiotics, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for a strong immune system and optimal digestive function. Exercise performance. Dark chocolate's benefits may extend to exercise performance as well. A study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that consuming dark chocolate could enhance exercise performance in cyclists by increasing the availability of oxygen and nutrients to working muscles. Vision health. Dark chocolate's flavonols have been linked to improved vision health. A study published in JAMA Ophthalmology reported that participants who consumed dark chocolate experienced small but significant improvements in visual acuity and contrast sensitivity compared to those who consumed milk chocolate. Replacing milk chocolate with dark chocolate. Advantages and tips. Reduced sugar content. One of the primary advantages of replacing milk chocolate with dark chocolate is the reduction in sugar content. Dark chocolate typically contains less sugar than milk chocolate, making it a healthier choice for those watching their sugar intake or trying to manage their weight. Nutrient density. Dark chocolate is more nutrient dense than milk chocolate. With a higher percentage of cocoa, dark chocolate is richer in antioxidants, fiber, and essential minerals like magnesium, iron, and copper. By swapping out milk chocolate for dark chocolate, you can enjoy a treat that is not only delicious but also more nutritious. How to replace milk chocolate with dark chocolate. Gradually increase cocoa percentage. If you're accustomed to the taste of milk chocolate, the bitterness of dark chocolate might take some getting used to. Start by choosing a dark chocolate with a lower cocoa percentage, around 50%, and gradually work your way up to a higher percentage as your palate adjusts. Substitute in recipes. When baking or preparing desserts, replace milk chocolate with dark chocolate for a more healthful and flavorful result. Dark chocolate can be easily substituted in cookies, brownies, and other baked goods, as well as in homemade chocolate bars and truffles. Pair with complementary flavors. Dark chocolate pairs wonderfully with a variety of flavors. Try pairing dark chocolate with nuts, dried fruit, or even a sprinkle of sea salt to enhance the taste and create a more satisfying treat. Dark chocolate is not only a delicious treat but also a versatile ingredient that can elevate your favorite recipes. From desserts to snacks and even breakfast options, dark chocolate can enhance the flavor and add a touch of indulgence to your dishes. Here are some creative and mouth-watering dark chocolate recipe ideas to try. Very okay. Number 1. Dark chocolate dipped strawberries. A classic and elegant dessert, dark chocolate dipped strawberries are perfect for a romantic evening or a special occasion. Melt high-quality dark chocolate, dip ripe strawberries into the melted chocolate, and place them on a parchment-lined tray to set. For an extra touch of sophistication, drizzle with white chocolate or sprinkle with chopped nuts or edible gold leaf. Number 2. Dark chocolate and almond granola. Upgrade your morning granola with dark chocolate and almonds for a delicious and nutritious breakfast. Combine rolled oats, chopped almonds, honey, coconut oil, and a pinch of salt, and bake until golden brown. Once cooled, mix in chunks of dark chocolate for an antioxidant-rich crunch. Number 3. Dark chocolate and raspberry brownies. Give traditional brownies a twist by adding dark chocolate and raspberries. Prepare your favorite brownie recipe using dark chocolate and fold in fresh or frozen raspberries before baking. The combination of rich chocolate and tart raspberries creates a delectable and irresistible treat. Number 4. Dark chocolate and sea salt popcorn. Elevate your movie night snack with dark chocolate and sea salt popcorn. Make popcorn using your preferred method, then drizzle with melted dark chocolate and a sprinkle of sea salt. Allow the chocolate to set before enjoying this sweet and salty treat. Number 5. Dark chocolate coconut truffles. Indulge in the tropical flavors of dark chocolate coconut truffles. Mix shredded coconut, condensed milk, and vanilla extract, then form into small balls. Dip the coconut balls into melted dark chocolate and let them set on a parchment-lined tray. Store in the refrigerator for a cool, refreshing dessert. As you can see, dark chocolate is more than just a delicious treat. It's a nutrient-rich superfood that offers a plethora of health benefits. When you indulge in high-quality dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa content, you're not only satisfying your taste buds but also supporting your overall well-being. So, go ahead and enjoy a square or two of this delightful delicacy. Your body will thank you for it. If you're loving the scrumptious recipes, invaluable cooking knowledge, and expert skills we're sharing here on the Very Very OK channel. We'd be thrilled if you could show your support by hitting that subscribe button, smashing the like button, and spreading the love by sharing our content with your friends and family. We're committed to helping you elevate your culinary game, so stay tuned for more fantastic content. Together, let's cook up something amazing. Very Very OK.